Guys, so a lot of you guys have wondered what the back of the school bus looks like, how we're getting the goats and sheep on and off the school bus. So James has made a ramp, and the ramp comes up and down. I'm going to show you guys. Don't mind the generator, we've been working on the school bus. And he's also extended the back of the school bus too, so that the sheep can get on and off of it. So I am going to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so here's the ramp to go up the back of the bus. And then he's also made this too, to go up and down with the ramp. I'm just very scared. Hang on a minute, I can't do this one-handed, I don't think. Nope, not gonna be able to do that one-handed, so hang on. And then this is what the back of the school bus looks like with the ramp up. And as you can see, the back has been extended. And see how those things earlier I was showing you guys how to go up and down? They come with it. And let's see if I can get this ramp to come down one-handed. Move, Duchess. And then voila, come back over here and do this. And that's how the ramp is done. So yeah, that is how we load the animals off and on the school bus. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Yes, I will be doing a inside tour on the school bus as soon as we get it more completed, but that is the ramp. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to us.